Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to add payment method on Uber. So guys, first thing that you will do is open the application and make sure you have the latest version of Uber. So guys, from here, this will be their homepage. And first thing that you will do guys is at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see account. Just tap on that. And then from here guys, just tap on the payment on the middle, and then after that you will see here payment methods, and just click add a payment method. And from here guys, you will have multiple options. You can have credit or debit card, Google Pay, and a gift card. And once you have added your payment method guys, just go back to the home screen and click Uber Cash at the top right here. And from here, guys, you should be able to have an option, cash out. And then from there, once you click on cash out, you will be able to select a payment method, which where the money will go. And then from there, you will be able to transfer Uber Cash to another account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.